First night shift. I should go to the downstairs. So, my friend Jake told me to stay here and keep eyes on the cameras if someone breaks into this building. Going down. So basically, guys, uh, right now I'm making this video for proof. My friend Jake, he's a police officer. He asked me to go inside of this building. This is my job to work a night shift inside of this building. But Jake, he told me that there is a living entity who is wearing a blue clothes. It says Team Veselin677 join today now. More like Team Cookie join today. I know, right? So basically, guys, on 28th of October 2024, we discovered a new Roblox hacker, Veselin677. So basically, Veselin677, he was hacking other children's devices like tablets, computers, or mobile device. And that's why I'm here. I shouldn't go there. So basically, so basically, guys, Jack, he told me to not go this, to not go door, this orange door, because there is a dangerous entity, Veselin677. So yeah, probably yes. Yes, of course. Let me just like and yeah. I'm just walking around inside of this building. So basically, guys, Jack, he is a police officer. Right now, I'm making this video for proof. Guys, what should I do What should I do? Should I answer this door or should I? I don't know, bro. I don't know. Okay. Right now, we're walking. Who's calling me? Is that Jake? The heck? Hello? What is it, Jake? Yo, my man, what's up? How is your day, bro? Yeah, my night shift is going good. It's normal. Haven't what? Haven't going to this door, the orange one? No. Why, bro? Oh, yeah, I get it, I get it. Yeah. I wonder. Bro, why should I go upstairs, dude? Oh, I get it, bro. I'm going upstairs and checking the cameras if this dumb entity is going to breaking my security room, right? More like Five Nights at Freddy's. Yeah, Jack. This is my first night shift. I know, I know. Yeah, this entity is going to break my security room. Bro, I'm just gonna punch him anyways, bro. He has no match for me. What do you mean he has a hacking script? He's a Roblox hacker since 2024. Back in 2024. Oh, yeah. Okay, Jack, I gotta go. Bye. Okay, guys, I'm back. My friend just fooling me around. This is the SCP room. The heck? Bro, what the heck is this door? Um, if I'm getting closer, guys, what is gonna happen? Jack tells me, he told me when I'm getting closer to this door, he will probably jump scare me. Veselin677, bro, 67. Bro, I don't bro, I don't know why this police officer he calls me at 11 p.m., bro. What happened, bro? Like seriously, brother? Like dude, it should probably keep going. So yeah, probably. Yep. Mm, for me, this building it looks like a back rooms. The back rooms where many entities are inside. I don't know, bro. Bro, but bro, if I'm checking this door. Ah! Oh my god! 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 Who's knocking? Oh my god! It must be earthquake or like a circus alarm. Bro, it must be Veselin677's uh bro, it must be Veselin's circus alarm, bro. Bro, like what the heck, bro? Like it doesn't matter. Like it doesn't matter what happened to this building, bro. Like, bro, I'm serious. Bro, I should go back to my office. Yeah, you know what I'm gonna do. Yep, go to my office, going to my office, and yeah, yep, that's all. That's all. I'm I eating. You know what, guys? I'm just heading back my office, and there is no way that Veselin677 is going to. Oh, what the freak? Bro, whoa, 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 bro, what is? What, hey, bro, what? Damn, damn, bro, someone is knocking. Damn, 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 bro, maybe, bro, who made this sound, bro? Oh my freaking god. Oh my freaking god, bro, I'm telling you. Bro, what the freak is this? Bro, what the freak is this building, bro? Who made this? Why Jake? Why Jake? Why Jake? Why you put me a job application and now you just made me like crazy, bro. Let's see, what is this? If I uh, bro. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh yeah. Oh. Oh my god, oh my god. Yep. I'm gone. Oh my god, no. God damn. Bro, what are those sounds like? Bro, the heck? The heck, man? The heck? God damn. Bro, who made these sounds, bro? Someone is knocking like bam, bam. I don't know, bro. Oh my god. Bro, I can't stand it anymore in this building, bro. It gives me like creeps. Very interesting door. Very interesting. Very interesting. Blah blah blah. I'm not scared, chat. I'm not scared. I'm just fooling around. Yeah. These chains. Wait. Let me just escape. The door is locked. Oh my god. I think Jack, my friend, he also known as the police officer. Maybe Jack, he was working at the police station. Maybe he will unlock. Maybe he will unlock a. I don't know, bro. Maybe he will unlock a door later because I have no time. I gotta check a freaking door. Oh my god, Veselin677. Please don't give me our nightmares because if you say ready or not, you will die. I will probably gonna fucking kill. What the What the fuck? Bro, who pressed this music, bro? Am I getting closer? Dude, what the heck is this circus music, bro? Just laughing. Don't tell me, bro. Don't tell me, bro. Don't tell me, bro. Whoa. Am I just gonna... I don't know who pressed this fucking goddamn music, bro. Whoa. Yup. Let me out. Jack. Jack. Let me out. Jack, let me out. Oh my god, bro. I almost tripped. Dude, who pressed this freaking goddamn music? It's supposed to be Veselin677. Veselin677. Maybe Veselin677, he plays with me. Nah. Jack, get me this. Get me out of it. Jack, get me out of here. My god. Freak, no. Fuck, 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 no. Chat. We cooked. Are we cooked, chat? Huh? Damn. God damn. Bro, what the freak is wrong with me, bro? Huh? Veselin? Oh. Veselin677, please don't hurt me. Nah. Nah. Please don't. Don't you dare, Veselin. Oh. Oh my god, oh my god! Stop. Nah, I'm getting this out of here, bro. Oh my god, I gotta have it, bro. I gotta hide. No, this is hell, bro. This is hell. Oh my god. Oh my god, Veselin677, please stop hacking. Please stop. What the heck is this place? Is it kind of hell? No. In the Jesus name we say. I commanding many demons to get out of this building right now. In the Jesus name. Oh my god, this music! It hurts my brain! Ah! Oh my god! Get me this! No! No! Oh my god! Damn you, Veselin! Damn you, Veselin677! Damn you! Whoa! Ow! Ow, bro, my foot. Uh, 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 uh. Fuck. Don't you dare. Don't you dare. Veselin. In the Jesus name, I command many demons to get out of this building right now. In the Father's name, we say. In the Jesus name, we say. I think the nightmare is over. Damn! Oh my! No! 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 Oh no! 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 No!